Show Zero your shoes.
You like,
Zero,
yeah, I have
I got
shoes on my
shoes.
feet. What are you doing? What's the matter? Who's big boy wearing shoes? It's hard to walk and look at shoes at the same time, huh?
Oh, he's having trouble on the run because they probably stick him
Oh, it could
run.
be.
Did they feel sticky on the
Yay,
run?
big boy. Hi, big boy. You like those? Hard to pull off. That's what Mommy likes. Now you can walk outside. I won't worry about your little toes so much. Oh. That was my fault. Yeah.
Oh, I forget it.
Doing a good job. Yeah, it's a
That's
puppy.
a nose?
That's a puppy, like your puppy. Whoa!
They did that to me yesterday, too.
What is it? All lines are busy or something?
No, they said the numbers are wrong, but I can see them on my,
Who are you trying to call?
the credit union.
What are you doing? Hello? You upside down boy.
Oh, you were talking on the phone?
Where's your phone? Hi. Hi. Top of the headshot. Don't step on my foot. What you stepping on my foot for? Hey, get off my feet. Silly boy. What are you doing? You're just trying to show me that you're just like me? You got shoes too? You're excited about those shoes, huh? Yeah. Are you big? Yeah. Careful. Stop stepping on my foot. You're trying to switch shoes? I don't know what you want. You want Mommy's shoe? You can have it. You want that one too? You need them both? There you go. Smarty. You trying to put my shoes on? What are you doing? You are going to try and put my shoes on. You're silly. You're silly. There you go. You almost got one on. Silly. Hard to figure out. Bringing it back.